More often, we listen in news or even see around that family members are fighting for the property. They want their shares in ancestral property or in father's property, if father died without making a will, or in mother's property, if mother died without making a will. I mean, it is very common issue in most of the families. In the court of law, majority of the cases are related to property issue only. So, ever you paid attention that what all this issue is? How to resolve this issue? For this, what type of lawsuit can be filed? How much time such lawsuit will take to get resolved? Who can file such lawsuit? How such lawsuit can be decided in short span of time, etc. Hey everyone! In this video, I will be discussing the meaning and conditions of filing the partition suit in the court of law, where I will try to answer your all queries. So, be with us for next a few minutes. Let's begin with the first question, that is, if someone wants his or her share in ancestral property, then what type of lawsuit he or she needs to file? To get share in ancestral property, one needs to file partition suit in the civil court. Now, the next question is, what is meaning of partition suit? However, before discussing the meaning of partition suit, let's understand the meaning of partition. The simple English meaning of partition is division. So partition of property means the division of property among all the legal heirs as per the personal law. Actually, such issue is addressed through the personal law, as every religious group has its own law to govern such issue. Now, the question is, what is meaning of partition suit? Partition suit is the lawsuit filed in the court of law to devolve the property among all legal heirs judiciously. In fact, in normal circumstance, there is no need to file the partition suit for the division of the property, but the need of filing partition suit arises when there is some dispute among the legal heirs. Or in other words, because of any reason, if legal heirs are not having consensus regarding the partition of their ancestral property, then they file the partition suit and get it resolved through the court. Now the question is, what is the law that governs such partition suit? In Hindu community, such property disputes are governed by the Hindu Succession Act, 1956 and Hindu Succession Amendment Act, 2005. Now, the question is, who can file the partition suit? Though there is as such no specific law that defines that only such person can file partition suit, however, following are the person who can file partition suit. Collectively, all the legal heirs can file the partition suit, or any one of the legal heir can alone file the partition suit, or any close relative can file the partition suit on behalf of the legal heir. For example, if a daughter wants her share in ancestral property and other heirs, such as her brother or even father, is not ready to give her share, then in such a case, on her behalf, her husband or her son or her daughter can file the partition suit. Now, the next question is, what are the documents required to file a partition suit? Normally, following are the documents that required while filing a partition suit. 1. Copy of ID proof. 2. Copy of address proof. 3. Copy of relationship proof. How are you related to that property? Proof of being legal heir. 4. Certified copies or original copies of all the titled deeds of the respective property that you are claiming to be ancestral property. 5. Valuation of the property. But one point note here, that is, the point number 4. That is, the title deed of the property is not essentially required. So, if you don't have the property's paper, still you can file the partition suit. Now, the last question is, what is the limitation period to file the partition suit? The limitation period for filing such partition suit is normally 12 years, which means, if you did not file a case within the 12 years of your time, then you will automatically lose your right on that property forever. You won't have any legal claim on that property. This is all about the partition suit, specifically for the Hindu law. However, If any one of you have still any confusion or question, you may ask through the comment box given below. And, yes, if did not subscribe our channel by the time, please subscribe it now to remain updated with such informative videos. Bye bye, see you in next video.